boys and girls, here are the words we have been practicing this week. We have the word take, such, just, for, get, and of. And so I'm going to give you some clues and some hints about these words, and I'm going to see if you can find the word that matches my hints and clues that I'm giving you. And you might have a hard time reading some of the words still because this is only our second day practicing them, but that's okay. You can still look at the words, maybe point to the one that you think it is, and I'm going to be giving you the answers after you have some time to think. So you will be able to see which word it is, and you will be able to hear me say what it says. So the words again are take, such, just, for, get, of. So I spy a word that follows the rule we've been talking about with the silent magic E at the end, and it's making the vowel say its name. And in this case, the vowel that we're talking about is the vowel A. So see if you can find my word. It has the magic silent E at the end, making the vowel A say its name. So you should have picked the word take, T-A-K-E, because the E is silent and it's doing its magic, making the A say its name. Take. Okay, my next clue is going to be a word. I see a word where it has a digraph in the word. That means it has two letters, but only one sound. So think about what we've talked about. We've talked about a couple of different digraphs. So I spy a word that has a digraph, so two letters making one sound, and the digraph happens to be at the end of this word. So if you want to pause for just a minute to see if you can find the word, you can do that. Your words are take, such, just, for, get, and of. And you're looking for the word with the digraph at the end. Two letters making one sound. You should have picked the word such. Right here, the word such, because at the end you see the CH, the ch. So it's one sound, but there's two letters. Okay, my next word. I spy a word that has the first sound of f. So the first sound in the word is f. Okay, so your choices are take, such, just, for, get, and of. So I spy a word where the first sound is f. You can pause if you want to as you look for the word. Okay, you should have picked the word for because the first sound is f. Okay. My next clue is I spy a word that rhymes with wet. Wet. So you're going to see a word where you hear a sound at the beginning and then you hear et. So it's going to rhyme with et, wet. And your choices are take, such, just, for, get, and of. And you should have picked the word get. G-et, w-et. Get and wet rhyme. So we're going to do another rhyming one. And so I spy a word that rhymes with must. 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 So you have the word take, such, just, for, get, and of. So a word that rhymes with must. And I might try and say each word with the word must. So take, must, such, must, just, must, for, must, get, must, of, must. And you should have picked the word just. Just, must, just and must rhyme. And my last clue for you is I spy a word that has 2 letters. And you should have picked the word of. O-F. And this is a really tricky word because a lot of first graders, when they want to spell the word of, it really sounds like v. So it kind of sounds like a U and a V. But every time you see the word of, or you want to write the word of, it's going to be O-F. So again, you've got take, such, just, for, get, and of.